Hello all, welcome to my clay tray tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make a beautiful clay tray from scratch. First I start with some homemade clay. Roll it and pat it gently to make it even size. Using a cutter, I cut out a circle for the base of the tray. I take some more clay and shape it into a strip. I'm applying a little water to the edges of the clay circle. This helps the clay stick better when I add the sides. Then I carefully attach this strip around the edges to form the sides of the tray. Apply some flour to avoid stickiness. After assembling the tray, I let it dry for at least 4 hours. This ensures the clay hardens properly and becomes more sturdy. Once the tray is completely dry, it's time to paint. I chose green and white color for this and started painting it. You can choose any designs or color as you wish. Here's the final look of the tray. It's perfect for holding small items or as a decorative piece. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.